you love seafood and you love Italian cuisine, this episode of Kitchen Guy is right up your alley. I'm making seafood cannelloni, and I've started with a classic Italian red sauce, which is onions and garlic. And when they have softened, I added 2 pounds of peeled and seeded and chopped aroma tomatoes, along with a big can of crushed tomatoes. Then I'll add the classic Italian herbs of oregano, basil, and thyme, along with some crushed red pepper flakes and 2 bay leaves. Now the sauce is thickened, and I put it in the blender, and now very carefully I'm going to puree it. Remember, when liquids are hot, they expand. Now I'll return the liquid to the pan and add in some cream and red wine vinegar and let it cook down some more. Now to make the filling, I've sauteed some shrimp with some onions and garlic and Italian herbs, and now I put together some ricotta, shredded provolone, some shredded mozzarella, and a beaten egg. Now I'll add that shrimp mixture to that, mix it all in, and also add in about 8 ounces of some lump crab meat. Mix it all together. Now I softened manicotti tubes in some hot water, and now it's time to play with your food and stuff the manicotti into the rolls, and then we'll lay it out into my glass baking dish, which has some sauce on the bottom, and then we'll bake it at 350 degrees covered for about 45 minutes. This is an Italian seafood treat you won't soon forget, but get the recipe by writing to me here at the station or log on to the website. I'm Chef Jim. Grazie mille for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. See you next time.